Hey, welcome to my knee replacement journey. I'm going to kind of keep it short today. It's day 11 since I've had my surgery. Monday be 2 weeks. This is a Friday. So been doing pretty good the last few days. Last Saturday was okay. Saturday night was rough. Sunday was okay. Sunday night was real rough. Sunday morning I decided not to do any more the opioids. I just felt so bad, and it's upsetting my stomach, and I was kind of like in a fog all the time. So I decided to try to do away from those Sunday, and I did fine. I just did over-the-counter Tylenol. Sunday night was horrible. Had the old opioid constipation, and it was tough. It was 3 hours of the worst part of it so far. And but I did sleep good. I finally slept in my bed Sunday night for the first time since operating a week. So, but I didn't make it all the way through. So I've been having trouble sleeping. So I've been back in my bed, but I've only been sleeping there probably till about 3 o'clock in the morning. It's like you have to lay on your back, and it's kind of hard to describe, but the rest of my body, like my back and my shoulders get stiff. So I can't move around over my side or on this side. So I usually get up about 3 or 4. I made it through one time. I made it to 6 o'clock when we usually get up. And I come here in my recliner and sleep the rest of the time. So that seems to be working okay, and I'll keep doing that until I can finally sleep normally. I've really even cut back my Tylenol to 2 times a day. So went to 2 physical therapy sections this week. They both went really well. I've got a guy now I like really well. Of course, I have to do it at home 7 days a week, 3 times a day, 7 days a week. So I've kept up pretty good. I've added a little bicycle thing today, so I worked on that some today. And I went for a pretty good little walk down the driveway just on flat ground. So I'll probably do that again this afternoon. And so I'm adding a little bit more, and I think everything's turning out pretty good. I don't know if I'd still do it again. At this point, it's no, I won't do it again. It might change. That's after 2 weeks it gets better. So we'll find out. Monday's my next big milestone. I go back to my real doctor, and he's going to take the staples out. So I think that's a lot of my problem on my movement. I had him check it yesterday. So laying flat, I was at 3%. You need to get to 0. He said that's not a big deal because he wasn't pushing down or anything. And then when bringing your knee in, you got to get to 90% within 2 weeks of your therapy. So I got to get to that at the end of next week. But I was at 82%, which I thought was good. He wasn't that impressed. But I started out at 50, so I've added 30 degrees of movement this way to my knee. So that's good, in my opinion. So, but I'm not a doctor. But I was tickled to death with it. He didn't seem that impressed. Anyway, Monday I'm getting my staples out, and I'll come back to tell you about that. Hopefully that's gonna make me feel a lot better, because like now when I bend down, it's like my skin tightens up where the actual wound is. It's not my knee or inside of my knee. I'm not having very much pain at all inside, but mostly it's that wound, and my thighs hurt more than anything. But I've got a lot of that worked out through therapy. So anyway, appreciate everybody watching. Hit that subscribe button. If I can, I'll try to record Monday. I'm trying to do just one this week because it's easier on the editor. She's been busy this week, so I didn't do every day. I just did this one day. So I don't know if I might do that again next week. And I think we're getting pretty close to maybe, well, I don't know. Anyway, hit that subscribe button. I know this is a little different. I know I'm a farming, gardening, small animal eggs and stuff like that channel, but of course all that's put on hold until we get this straightened out. And I know a lot of you are probably going through this at some point, so hopefully this will help and give you really how I feel about it. So if you have any questions, you can send me an email and or leave a comment below, and I'll answer. I answered all the comments and everything. And one thing about that opioid, another thing I quit, I was having such vivid dreams. One of the dreams was me and Louie. He sleeps in his little cage in the living room. We was sleeping side by side when I sleep in the living room. I had this dream where an aliens came down and got us up. I mean, it was just like it was in real time, but I had to quit that. Them things, I don't know how people do them, and I feel for you if you get addicted to them. But that was funny. Louis sitting right here. All right, appreciate everybody watching. Give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. I'll see you down here in the farm in the next video.